Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is the monthly dessert collab. Other words, the sweetest time of the month. And our host is the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. Please check out her amazing channel and all the amazing desserts in the playlist. Today I will be making 2 sugar-free desserts. Well, almost sugar-free. I am going to do Waldorf Salad, and I didn't skip the marshmallows, so there's a little sugar there. I call these 2 skinny desserts. And I did a sugar-free banana pudding, or a skinny banana pudding. Okay, you can do 1 box, large box of instant pudding. I'm doing 2 small because that's what I got. Okay, now we're going to add 4 cups of milk. Okay, we're going to start with our truffle dish. And we're going to add our vanilla wafers. Just enough to cover the bottom. And now we're going to add our banana pudding. We're going to slice our a couple bananas in. Okay, now you can, the recipe calls for me to add 2 cups of Greek yogurt in with my marshmallow cream. I've looked all over in my refrigerator and can't find that Greek yogurt. So we're going to make it even lighter. It was supposed to be sugar-free Greek yogurt. So I'm going to just add sugar-free whipped topping. We're going to just skip the Greek yogurt. We're going to just add our whipped cream. This is sugar-free. To me, I can't really tell the difference, which is really great when you can make a dessert and you can't tell the difference. Gonna finish off our whipped cream, or our pudding. You could crush these if you wanted to. And I'm going to add some more bananas. And then I'm going to finish topping it off with the rest of our whipped cream. If you wanted to, you could have saved a few pieces of the banana to add to the top, or some of the vanilla wafers. But not least, we got to clean up this bowl because it's a little messy, especially if we're going to take this to a potluck. We got to clean this up a little bit. Okay, we're going to start off our recipe. Yeah, dropping an apple seed in the thing. With 5 apples chopped. One cup of celery. A cup of grapes, but I kind of went overboard a little bit. I might have got a cup and a half. Make sure to get the stems off of your grapes. And wash them bad boys. Okay, now we need this is my mom's secret ingredient, and I'm sharing it. Just a sprinkle of cinnamon. And then sugar-free whipped cream. This was her Waldorf Salad. You could leave it right here and make it completely sugar-free, or you can add the next ingredient. I like it either way. There's no way you can make this and me not enjoy it. But the next ingredient's questionable if you want it completely sugar-free. And that's a cup and a half of mini marshmallows. I don't know whether they make sugar-free ones. That's why I said you could just leave these out. But that's my mom's Waldorf salad. And it's a delicious dessert. Everybody always loved loved this when she took it to church. We take this to Thanksgiving or Christmas at church, or have it for Christmas Eve or Thanksgiving, because we always had an apple orchard, and this was and grapes, so this was a lot of the stuff we had from the farm.